Hey everyone. Alright, so this was one of my very first books I wrote. I just walked out of laboratory work because at the time I was working in the hospitals in pathology and I'd had children and I didn't want to do night shift anymore. So I became a kindergarten teacher and there was no science books that I could pass on my knowledge in the appropriate way for a kindergarten person. So these books have helped me be able to teach the concept of static electricity to many children. Every time I read one of these books in class, the teachers are like, where did you get that? I wrote it because of this need. So the idea is that you read the book and then the children do the experiment themselves, yeah? Not one at a time. You just have lots of balloons around and they go and do it. And the children have actually taught me many things from the experiment, and my learning has grown by watching them test and trial and do wonderful things. So this video series is to support that learning. It's got a bunch of resources that connect to it and extend on it. It also has me reading it to the screen so you can see how I invite and engage the children in the story and many other things. So thanks and enjoy.